Despite its small population, the United Arab Emirates operates one of the most technologically sophisticated armed forces in the Middle East. Backed by American, French, and European equipment, the UAE prioritizes air superiority, missile defense, and rapid reaction forces. Here's every major vehicle the UAE fields to defend itself. Main battle tanks. Leclerc. France sold the UAE 388 Leclerc main battle tanks in the 1990s, making it the largest Leclerc operator outside France. The UAE Leclerc features desert modifications including upgraded air conditioning, enhanced armor packages, and improved fire control systems. This tank fires a 120mm smoothbore gun with an autoloader, reaches 72 km per hour, and features composite armor with reactive armor tiles. The Leclerc is a genuinely capable modern tank that matches anything Iran fields. UAE Leclercs would defend against Iranian amphibious landings or armored incursions, though the bigger threat to the UAE comes from missiles and drones rather than tank battles. Infantry fighting vehicles and APCs, BMP-3. Russia sold the UAE over 600 BMP-3 infantry fighting vehicles, and these form the backbone of Emirati mechanized forces. The BMP-3 carries 7 infantry plus crew, mounts a 100mm gun that fires both shells and anti-tank missiles, and features a 30mm autocannon for engaging light armor. It's amphibious for crossing water obstacles and can operate in desert heat. The BMP-3 is one of Russia's best IFVs, and the UAE operates more of them than Russia does. Against Iranian forces, the BMP-3 provides mobile firepower and protected transport for mechanized infantry. Rabdan 8x8. The UAE developed the Rabdan 8-wheeled infantry fighting vehicle domestically through partnerships with defense contractors. This indigenous IFV mounts a 30mm autocannon and carries troops with modern protection. The Rabdan represents the UAE's push toward local defense production and reduces dependence on foreign suppliers. It's designed specifically for UAE requirements and desert conditions. Patriot AMV 8x8. Finland sold the UAE Patriot AMV wheeled APCs assembled locally under license. These 8-wheeled vehicles carry troops with protection against mines and IEDs. The AMV is modular and comes in variants including command vehicles, ambulances, and weapons carriers. They're modern, reliable, and well-suited for desert operations. Enigma 8x8. The UAE developed the Enigma 8-wheeled armored personnel carrier domestically. This indigenous APC provides protected mobility and shows the UAE's commitment to building domestic defense industry. The Enigma can carry troops and mount various weapon systems for different mission requirements. Nimr Ajban 4x4. The UAE produces Nimr Ajban 4-wheeled armored vehicles domestically for patrol and light combat roles. These provide protected mobility for troops in low to medium threat environments. The Nimr family represents successful UAE domestic production with exports to other countries. Nimr G6 MRAP. The G6 mine-resistant vehicle is built in the UAE specifically for protection against IEDs and mines. UAE forces used these vehicles in Yemen, where mine and IED threats are constant. The G6 provides V-hull protection and can survive blasts that would destroy unarmored vehicles. MATV. American MATV mine-resistant vehicles provide additional protected mobility. The MATV features independent suspension for off-road mobility while maintaining mine protection. These supplement domestically produced MRAPs for operations requiring maximum protection. RG-31 Nyala. South African RG-31 Nyala mine-resistant vehicles give the UAE proven MRAP capability from decades of South African experience with mine warfare. The Nyala is simple, reliable, and provides effective protection against mines and ambushes. Artillery systems. G6 Rhino. South Africa sold the UAE G6 Rhino self-propelled howitzers, and these provide mobile artillery firepower. The G6 fires 155mm shells from a wheeled platform that can shoot and relocate quickly. It's designed for rapid deployment and can operate independently without support vehicles. The G6 gives the UAE long-range fires for counter-battery missions or supporting ground operations. Caesar. France sold the UAE Caesar truck mounted 155mm howitzers for rapid deployment artillery. The Caesar mounts a 155mm gun on a truck chassis, allowing it to fire and move within minutes. It's lighter and more mobile than tracked self-propelled guns, making it ideal for the UAE's relatively small military that prioritizes speed over mass. M109 A6 Paladin. American M109 A6 Paladin. Self-propelled howitzers serve in limited numbers, mostly with reserve units. These tracked 155mm howitzers provide additional artillery capability. The Paladin can fire and move quickly with automated fire control systems. The UAE operates various towed 155mm howitzers for fire support. These provide additional artillery tubes at lower cost than self-propelled systems and can be positioned in defensive locations. Air defense systems. THAAD. The United States deployed Terminal High Altitude Area Defense Systems to the UAE for upper-tier ballistic missile defense. THAAD intercepts missiles at extremely high altitudes during their terminal phase, providing a layer of defense above Patriot systems. This gives the UAE one of the most sophisticated missile defense networks in the Middle East. Patriot PAC-3. American Patriot batteries provide the UAE with ballistic missile defense and air defense capability. Patriots can intercept ballistic missiles, cruise missiles, and aircraft at high altitudes. The UAE has used Patriots to intercept Houthi ballistic missiles fired from Yemen, proving their effectiveness in combat. Against Iran, Patriots would defend Emirati cities and military bases from missile attack. Pantsir S-1. Russia sold the UAE Pantsir S-1 short-range air defense systems, combining radar-guided guns with surface-to-air missiles. The Pantsir defends against aircraft, cruise missiles, and drones at close range. It's mobile and can protect ground forces or fixed installations. Avenger. American Avenger short-range air defense systems mount Stinger missiles on Humvee chassis for mobile point defense. These provide additional layers of air defense for protecting forces from low-flying threats, including helicopters and drones. Skyguard and Oerlikon systems. Swiss Skyguard fire control radars paired with Oerlikon anti-aircraft guns provide radar-guided gun defense against aircraft and missiles. These systems offer point defense with volume of fire against targets that get past missile defenses. MANPADS. The UAE fields man-portable air defense missiles, including American Stinger and Russian Igla variants. These shoulder-fired missiles give infantry organic air defense capability against low-flying aircraft and helicopters. MANPADS would be distributed widely to make Iranian air operations dangerous at low altitude. Fighter and attack aircraft. F-16 EF Block 60. Desert Falcon. The UAE operates 80 F-16 EF Block 60 Fighting Falcons, the most advanced FE-16 variant ever built. These feature conformal fuel tanks for extended range, active electronically scanned array radar, advanced electronic warfare systems, and can carry the full range of American precision weapons. The Block 60 was developed specifically for the UAE and includes capabilities not available to other F-16 operators. These fighters form the backbone of UAE air power and would conduct air superiority and strike missions against Iran. Mirage 2000-9. France sold the UAE 68 Mirage 2000 fighters upgraded to -9 standard with modern radar, weapons, and avionics. The Mirage 2000 is a capable multi-role fighter that can engage air and ground targets. UAE Mirages have conducted combat operations in Libya and Yemen, proving their effectiveness. Against Iran, Mirages would supplement F-16s for air defense and strike missions. Rafale F-4. France is delivering Rafale fighters to the UAE with 80 aircraft on order. The Rafale is France's most advanced combat aircraft with modern sensors, weapons, and multi-role capability. It can conduct air superiority, ground attack, and anti-ship missions. The Rafale gives the UAE additional advanced fighters beyond their F-16 fleet and reduces dependence on American weapons that come with political restrictions. Support aircraft. Saab Global Eye. Sweden sold the UAE Saab Global Eye airborne early warning and control aircraft. The Global Eye combines powerful radar for tracking aircraft with maritime surveillance sensors for finding ships and submarines. This gives the UAE comprehensive situational awareness over the Persian Gulf. Global Eye can detect Iranian aircraft taking off and direct UAE fighters to intercept them, or track Iranian naval vessels and coordinate strikes. A330. MRTT. The UAE operates Airbus A330 multi-role tanker transport aircraft for aerial refueling and strategic transport. These tankers allow UAE fighters to extend their range and loiter time, critical for maintaining air patrols and conducting long-range strike missions against targets in Iran. C-17 Globemaster III. The UAE bought 6 C-17 strategic airlifters from the United States, making them the only Middle Eastern nation operating this heavy transport. The C-17 can carry main battle tanks, helicopters, and massive cargo loads across intercontinental distances. UAE C-17s have supported coalition operations in Afghanistan and Yemen, demonstrating strategic airlift capability that few nations possess. C-130J Super Hercules. American C-130J tactical transports provide the UAE with airlift for moving troops and equipment. The 4-engine turboprop can operate from rough airfields and deliver cargo anywhere needed. The UAE operates CN-235, Spanish-Indonesian CN-235 light transports handle smaller cargo movements and personnel transport. These twin turboprops supplement heavier transports for light airlift duties. Beechcraft King Air ISR variants. Various King Air variants serve in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance roles, providing aerial monitoring capability. These aircraft carry sensors for gathering intelligence and monitoring activities. Helicopters. AH-64E Apache Guardian. The UAE bought American AH-64E Apache attack helicopters, the most advanced attack helicopter in the world. The Apache carries Hellfire missiles, rockets, and a 30mm chain gun with sophisticated sensors for finding and destroying targets. CH-47F Chinook. American CH-47F. Chinook heavy-lift helicopters carry troops, artillery, and supplies. The Chinook's twin-rotor configuration allows it to lift loads other helicopters cannot match. These provide critical heavy lift capability for moving equipment and forces. AW-159 Wildcat. British Augusta Westland. Wildcat naval helicopters operate from UAE warships for anti-submarine warfare and anti-surface missions. The Wildcat carries torpedoes, anti-ship missiles, and sensors for finding submarines and surface vessels. AS-565 Panther. French AS-565 Panther naval helicopters serve in anti-submarine and anti-surface roles from ships. These provide additional maritime helicopter capability for the UAE Navy. AW-139. Italian AW-139. Medium utility helicopters handle transport, search and rescue, and utility missions. These are versatile helicopters used for various support roles. Bell 407. American Bell 407. Light helicopters serve in training, liaison, and light utility roles. These small helicopters provide basic transport and utility capability. Unmanned aerial systems. Wing-Lung 2. China sold the UAE Wing-Lung 2 armed drones for surveillance and strike missions. The Wing-Lung can carry missiles and bombs for attacking ground targets. Yabhan United 40. The UAE developed the Yabhan United 40. Medium altitude, long endurance drone domestically. This indigenous UAV provides surveillance and reconnaissance capability with potential for armed variants. The United 40 shows UAE commitment to developing domestic drone technology. Yabhan Flash 20. The Flash 20 is a smaller tactical UAV developed in the UAE for reconnaissance missions. It provides tactical level intelligence gathering for ground forces. The UAE operates multiple small drones for reconnaissance and intelligence gathering at tactical level. These provide commanders with real-time battlefield awareness. Naval vehicles. Benuna-class corvettes. The UAE built 6 Benuna-class stealth corvettes domestically in partnership with France. These 915-ton warships feature reduced radar signature, anti-ship missiles, surface-to-air missiles, and a 76mm gun. The Benuna class can operate helicopters and conduct anti-surface warfare, air defense, and patrol missions. These are the UAE's most capable surface combatants, designed for operations in the Persian Gulf against Iranian fast attack craft and frigates. Falaj 2-class patrol vessels. The Falaj 2 class provides offshore patrol capability for protecting UAE waters and exclusive economic zone. These vessels conduct maritime security operations and can engage surface threats with guns and missiles. Murray Jib-class patrol boats. The UAE operates Murray Jib-class fast patrol boats for coastal defense and interdiction. These small craft provide numbers for patrolling UAE waters and can engage Iranian fast. Boats with guns and missiles. Ganitha-class patrol boats. Additional patrol craft for coastal patrol and maritime security. The UAE operates dozens of patrol boats for controlling their waters and interdicting threats. Amphibious and support vessels. Landing craft utility. The UAE operates landing craft utility vessels for amphibious operations and moving forces between locations. These support UAE military operations in Yemen and provide amphibious capability for moving troops and vehicles. Landing craft mechanized. Smaller landing craft for beach assaults and transporting vehicles and troops to shore. These provide tactical level amphibious capability. Various support ships handle refueling, maintenance, and logistics for the UAE Navy. These vessels keep the fleet operational and extend their range and endurance. Anti-ship and coastal defense missiles. Exocet MM-40. French Exocet anti-ship missiles arm UAE vessels and coastal batteries. The Exocet is a proven anti-ship weapon used globally. UAE Exocets can strike Iranian ships from ships or shore batteries. Small arms and infantry weapons. Car 816. The UAE developed the Caracal Car 816 assault rifle domestically, chambered in 5.56mm NATO. This is an indigenous rifle designed and built in the Emirates, showing their push for self-reliance. The Car 816 equips Emirati infantry and has been exported to other countries. M4 and M4A1. American M4 carbines arm UAE Special Forces and specialized units. The M4 is the standard carbine for Western forces and provides proven reliability and modularity for mounting accessories. HK-416. German HK-416 rifles serve with UAE Special Forces and elite units. The HK-416 is a premium assault rifle with improved reliability over standard AR-15 pattern rifles. It's used by Special Operations Forces globally. FN Minimi. Belgian FN Minimi light machine guns provide squad automatic weapon capability. The 5.56mm Minimi gives infantry squads sustained fire capability and is used worldwide. FN Mag. Belgian FN Mag general purpose machine guns fire 7.6 2mm NATO ammunition for platoon level sustained fire. The MAG arms vehicles and provides heavy fire support for infantry. M2 Browning. American M2 Browning. 50 caliber heavy machine guns, armed vehicles, and defensive positions. These provide heavy firepower against light vehicles and aircraft. Javelin. American Javelin anti-tank guided missiles give UAE infantry the ability to destroy armored vehicles. The Javelin uses fire and forget guidance with top attack capability that defeats modern tank armor. NLAW. Swedish-British NLAW anti-tank weapons provide additional anti-armor capability. NLAW is lighter than Javelin and provides short-range anti-tank capability for infantry squads. Carl Gustaf. Swedish. Carl Gustaf recoilless rifles give infantry multi-purpose firepower against bunkers, vehicles, and fortifications. The Carl Gustaf can fire various ammunition types including anti-tank, anti-structure, and illumination rounds.